Mula sa simpleng regalong nakalagay sa isang shoebox hanggang sa pagpapalaganap ng pagmamahal ng Panginoon. Ito na ang naging misyon sa buhay ni Pastora Julian Moises sa pamamagitan ng Shoebox Project. Ating alamin kung paano nakapagbibigay ng ngiti at pag-asa sa mga bata hindi lang sa Bacolod, kundi pati na rin sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa.
2013, ako po yung unang naka-receive ng Shoebox Project. Grabe po yung excitement sa self ko kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung laman eh. Siyempre, doon po sa bukid, hindi kami makabili ng ng mga branded na mga gamit, ganun. Pero pag open ko po ng box na yun, yung binigay sa akin ay mga branded po na mga t-shirt. So, grabe po talaga yung aking happiness.
Nakatanggap ako ng shoebox nung mga bata pa kami. Laman ng box sa amin is marami, t-shirt, teddy bears, and foods also, and then toiletries. As a child, you're excited to see like teddy bears, oh, first time ko ito nakuha.
Yung Shoebox Project po ay isang project po para sa mga bata, especially po na yung sa mga mahihirap at sa mga churches na tinatap po namin.
Not only for just giving gifts for the children, evangelism also for the children.
Nagsimula siya sa team po ng aming Vision Keeper, inspired po sa isang shoebox kung saan po ay hindi po yung kanyang laman ay isang sapatos pero ay assorted po ng mga goods para sa mga bata.
Ang mga dating musmos na sina Melson at Rose na minsan nang nakatanggap ng regalong nakalagay sa shoebox ay ang mga namimigay na rin at nagbabahagi na ngayon ng regalo sa mga bata ngayon. Dahil isa na sila ngayong mga missionary leader.
Ganun pala kasaya. Pag ikaw naman pala yung tumutulong sa iba, pag ikaw naman pala yung nag-i-inspire sa ibang bata.
There's a joy in giving. Ginashare naman how the Lord works in our lives also.
Ang ministry na kinabibilangan nila ang naging sandigan sa panahong kailangan nila ng makakapitan.
I decided to work abroad. All my family members is serving God. This year happened the Typhoon Tino. My family was nadala sa flash flood. Almost 8 of my family members, and then we have 3 missings. We're praying for them. When I go back here in the Philippines, I don't have any siblings. That was the hardest part of my life. They are the one na naging sandigan ng family namin, and they are the one who motivates our family. Makabangon sa kahirapan, sa buhay, kailangan naman lumaban, di ba? Hindi tayo kailangan mag-stagnant lang sa ganitong situation.
Mula sa pagbibigay saya hanggang sa pagsama sa hirap at sakit na nararanasan, naging malaki ang tulong ng Shoebox Project sa buhay ni Melson at Rose.
To our Vision Keeper, Pastor Julian, Secretary Moises, maraming salamat sa iyong dedikasyon. Hindi po basta-basta yung ganong project. Kasi wala kaming funds na ganun kalaki. Wala siyang funds sa ganun kalaki. Pero yung kinapitan niya lang po talaga is yung Panginoon. Yung Panginoon lang po talaga nag-supply ng lahat. Malaki po yung naging encouragement niya din po sa life ko.
To our Vision Keeper, Pastor Julian Moises, thank you so much for being the big part, not only just in the ministry, but being part of our family. You teach us how to be humble. You teach us how to face a lot of trials, how to walk with faith. So thank you so much for how your faith works, and you share how God works, not only for you, but only for the ministry also, and this project.
12 years na po yung Shoebox Projects, and we have reached over 15,000 and counting children all over Negros Island and Panay Island. Pumupunta kami po sa lugar na hindi po Budlay Kadtuan, and yun po yung isang tribe sa Sagay na kailangan kami maglakad ng almost 1 hour po. At saka magsakay ng habal-habal ng almost 1 hour din po. So, meron kaming dalawang options if you want to join Shoebox Project. We also receive gifts na kayo talaga yung gagawa ng gifts for the specific child. And also, we receive monetary donation po. Yun po yung team ng Shoebox Project, yung gumagawa ng gifts for the children po. They have 4 to 6, 7 to 9, 10 to 12, male and female po. So, yung gift specifically for that name of the child talaga. So, we connect to interdenominational church sa buong Negros po. 2 months before the project will start po, we gather the pastors who will also be part of the preparation. Sila po yung magbibigay ng names, lista ng mga children po, together with their gender and their name po. And what happens in the Lord's Prayer Mountain po, where we start the Shoebox 2013 po, after the gift giving, I am called to stay in Prayer Mountain to reach them holistically, most especially discipling them.
Hindi inaasahan ni Pastora Julian na tatagal ng higit 1 dekada ang proyekto niyang ito dahil maging ang kanilang grupo dumadaan din sa mga pagsubok.
Yung most difficult, I can say po, this year. Supposed to be October, we start planning, preparing for the Shoebox Project. And Typhoon Tino came. We were devastated, body, soul, and spirit. But I thank the Lord for the people that surrounds me who encouraged me to keep going. We need more logistics po, more so like a transportation vehicle kasi yun talaga yung ano namin, we go places. In 1 year po, in December to January, February, almost 30 places pinupuntahan namin. Mga bata po yung pinili namin na tulungin po because we feel like as a child, we desire for them to experience also the love of God. Gusto ko sana sila maka-experience din how I experience the love of Jesus.
Lumaki si Pastora Juliana Salat sa pagmamahal ng isang ama dahil maaga siyang naulila nito.
I saw my classmates na parang sweet yung father niya sa kanya, very loving yung father niya sa kanya. In my case, I haven't experienced that. I had a hole in my heart where only the Lord Jesus Christ filled when I was 16 years old.
Kaya naman, naging pangako niya sa sarili na kahit sa munting paraan ay maipararanas niya sa mga bata ang pagmamahal na nararapat para sa kanila.
Yung gusto ko i-share sa kanila po is keep on the faith in Jesus Christ. Life may not be easy all the time, but hold on to faith. Everything will be okay. Yung pinakamasayang moment with the Shoebox Project is when we see the reaction of every child po. And then there's this one child sa Simpalay who we didn't know po, first time nakatanggap ng gift. 9 years old siya. Talon siya na talon at sigaw siya na sigaw. May box ako, may gift ako. Yun talaga po yung very important, unforgettable moment ko with the Shoebox. Yung reaction ng mga children po. As we always say in Shoebox Project, it is always blessed to be a blessing.
Ngayong bagong taon, naway ang kwento ni Pastora Julian at ng The Shoebox Project ay magdala ng pag-asa at walang sawang pananampalataya sa ating lahat. Kaya naman, kasama si Kuya Larry at Maritim Manilin, taus-pusong pasasalamat mula kina Kuya Alan, Ate Pia at Tito Boy ang hatid natin sa kanila.
Inspiring ng kwento mo.
Thank you po.
Dahil dyan po, in behalf ni Kuya Alan, ni Ate Pia at Tito Boy, kami po'y may munting regalo para sa inyo. Ayan po.
Ito po.
Ayan po, may munting
Mula sa
regalo.
Kayatanan Action with Boy.
Thank you po.
May supreso pa ho kami. Meron ho tayong portable speaker na magagamit nyo ho. At mayroong wireless
Boy po po.
na magagamit nyo po sa mga activities nyo po.
Thank you so much.
Opo. Para mapatuloy nyo po yung pag-inspire nyo sa mga kabataan. Ito po sa
I feel like the Lord embracing me now, despite of the challenges we've been facing recently. Tuloy po yung Shoebox Project. Maraming salamat po, Kuya Boy, Senator Alan, Senator Pia po for this kind generosity na pinaabot mo dito sa Bacolod City. Your position now has been a great inspiration to us here as a Christian community in Bacolod City. We've been praying for you, especially for Christian leaders to arise. Please know that you are an inspiration to the Christian community, most especially to our nation, the Philippines. God bless you po, Senator Alan and Senator Pia. Mabuhay po kayo.
Ang ganda-ganda ng shoebox project ni Julian. It's so inspiring because she used her own pain, loneliness of not having a father in her life to give back and to have a life full of meaning. The world is better off with people like you, Julian. So continue your good work. God bless you, and we're so excited to support your shoebox project because it's really a great project that will inspire children to also know that they are loved, they are seen, and hopefully will turn out as amazing human beings and Filipinos because of what you're doing. God bless you more.
Cayetano in action with Boy Abunda would like to thank
RLI Furniture, JC Organic Barley, Live Healthy, Choose Good Life, Ocha Milk Tea, Siomai King, ang hari ng siomai, 7, located at B6 Bonifacio High Street, Taguig, and Seymada from La Luna Cafe. Come home to a delicious tradition. We're located at 103 ML Quezon Avenue, Hagonoy, Taguig.